Here, we need to merge the 3 files into a document to make it complete. Usually, beginners may choose the copy and paste method to achieve this. Is there a smarter way? Why not choose the Merge Documents in WPS Writer? Take this Word document as an example. Click Edit to activate the toolbar. Then click Merge Documents at File. In the interface of Merge, click the documents you need to merge. After selecting, click the icon in the upper right corner to change the merging order. In the Adjust interface, you can change the file's order by long pressing and dragging them. To deselect a document, you can click Eliminate in the upper right corner to remove the document. Click any red icon on the right to remove its corresponding file. Click Start Merging to finish this process. You can also rename the file before saving. Here we choose to type a story. Choose where you want to store the file, then click Merge. Merge successfully. Let's open the file. A complete file is merged. Of course, you can also choose other methods to merge files. On the home page of WPS Office, long press the file and select the files to be merged. Finally, click Merge to finish this process. Note, the selecting sequence determines the orders of the contents in the merged file.